Comodo SOC app, or Comodo SOC as a platform, is provided through Itarian, specifically designed for managed service providers and managed security service providers. SOC app will allow MSPs to provide cybersecurity as a billable managed service to your clients. Ready to use, co-managed threat detection and response platform with zero upfront commitment. SOC app is simply based off of your usage on a month-to-month basis. The service is ready to use with only a couple clicks, as you can see here. So we're going to provide you an overview on how easy it is to instantly onboard yourself and your clients. Like other applications under Itarian, you can access SOC app located under the application menu. Now, let's take a look at the main dashboard. Here you will see your customers, their assets, threats, and reports all located on the same screen. This is where you will locate critical alerts and incidents over your customer base. Currently, we have integration through ConnectWise and Itarian. We're also in the process of integrating with other PSA tools such as Datto. This makes it easy to fetch your customers and their assets to import into SOC app. You can add additional customers at any time. SOC app will show you the onboarding status of your customers. And of course, escalations, which mean it's an alert that our team or our machine learning technology has analyzed and turned into actionable event for you. With SOC app, you could start distributing Comodo agents with our endpoint protection via a bulk installation package. You can also take advantage of our auto discovery and deployment tool, which will detect all assets on your network and automates the deployments of our agents. When the security agent is deployed, it will be presented on the platform as a protected device. From here, you could start the managed protection with our SOC service, which offers the maximum protection and data security for Comodo cybersecurity customers, where we will manage all configurations and policies to our customers. So there's no need to worry about any settings or misconfigurations. We will monitor 24/7 and also give you responses in real time. You can also integrate with cloud services such as Office 365 or G Suite simply with one click. We will fetch all logs, analyze it, and turn into actionable intelligence. And you can also query the logs using our SIEM in real time. The final step will be setting escalation contacts so that all escalations will be forwarded to your account managers or staff to contact your customers if needed. Now, we've shown you how easy it is to onboard a customer to SOC app. Now let's see it in action. Here you'll have an overview, which is an easy navigation pane for your customers. Here SOC app detects and shows you the most critical alerts, which in this example is a malware event for this customer. Our alerts and escalations dashboard summarizes what's happening with your customers over time. You can see the details of the incident category, the classification, and also receive a detailed view of the incident. The escalations are already analyzed and responded by our own SOC team, but it's also open to you so you can investigate with us or ask for any additional detailed information you may require. On the ticket, you will see which tasks are awaiting your review. You can also see full history and detail of the incident in the form of a ticket, so you can review the SOC team's findings or request to collect other evidence. However, you may have a request. You can simply open up a ticket for further analysis. We will collaborate with you on the investigation. We'll also provide our SIM so that you can initiate your own investigation and threat hunting over your customer base. Now, let me give you a short introduction on how to query your own events that we collect. It is a multi tenant SIM tool where you can run any queries on any customer within the same portal. As you can see, we provide you with predefined queries that we find most useful, but feel free to write your own and distribute these queries to your customer base. We use security event modeling, where we map all logs into a common model to query or correlate so you don't have to learn and memorize the log format of any device. There you will see different log types for the customer. SOCAP will also, with its own network sensor, it can serve as a network security monitoring tool, but it also provides a full packet capture analysis. It can also serve as a managed IDS on your network. We'll collect any additional log sources via the same sensor. And lastly, It includes a vulnerability scanner that you can use for your customer base. You can see the raw logs that we have detected in an incident and drill down to the exact events. Finally, we have a correlation engine where we will correlate the logs and track any possible attacks. The system has over 300 correlation rules in place, but you can adjust or create new ones at any time. Again, thank you for taking the time to view SOCaaP, and please feel free to request a demo by simply emailing mssp.partner@comodo.com. Again, that's mssp.partner@comodo.com. Have a great day.